Do you want to earn an extra $1,000 a month? Imagine having a reliable side income that could pay your bills, fund your hobbies, or even kickstart your journey to financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share the strategy that took me from being a broke school dropout to a millionaire in my 20s. I call it the side hustle pyramid. I know what it's like to struggle financially. When I dropped out of school, I didn't have a penny to my name. My family was struggling to put food on the table, and I often found myself eating at friends' houses. But this adversity forced me to think creatively about how to make money. By following the side hustle pyramid, I gradually climbed my way to financial success. Now, I'm excited to guide you through the same journey. The side hustle pyramid is a strategy I developed to build a sustainable and scalable income stream. It consists of 3 levels: service-based side hustles, attention-based side hustles, and product-based side hustles. Each level builds on the previous one, allowing you to grow your income step by step. In this video, I'll take you through each level of the pyramid and share 9 up-to-date side hustle ideas that you can start using today to make at least $1,000 per month. Let's dive into the first level: service-based side hustles. Service-based side hustles are the foundation of the pyramid because they require little to no upfront investment. These side hustles are perfect for beginners as they allow you to start making money quickly without needing capital to get started. This initial step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for your future ventures. When I first started, I didn't have any money to invest in a business. I had to rely on my ability to offer services to make some extra cash. I did everything from washing cars to mowing lawns in my neighborhood. These jobs were not glamorous, but they were essential in helping me build the foundation of my side hustle pyramid. One of the most in-demand service-based side hustles today . The rise of digital content has created a huge demand for skilled video editors. To succeed as a video editor, you need to master both technical skills and storytelling abilities. The technical side involves cutting and arranging footage, adding music, and making the video visually appealing. The storytelling side is about structuring the content to engage viewers and evoke emotions. There are various formats you can specialize in, such as long-form content like podcasts, short-form content like TikToks, and even YouTube videos. Find a format you enjoy and excel in it. Graphic design is where art meets business. It's about creating visually appealing designs that communicate ideas, messages, and information effectively. To thrive in graphic design, you need a combination of business sense, communication skills, and creativity. These skills help you understand client needs and deliver designs that drive results. Consider focusing on specific niches like YouTube thumbnails, logo designs, website designs, or even clothing design. Specializing in a niche can help you become an expert and attract more clients. Writing can be a lucrative side hustle, but there's a significant disparity in earnings among writers. Some make as little as $600 a year, while others earn thousands. To succeed, focus on writing for demand. Instead of aiming to write the next Harry Potter, target online platforms where readers are. Consider copywriting for sales pages, email marketing, online articles, LinkedIn posts, and scripts for TikToks and YouTube videos. These areas have a high demand for skilled writers. Coaching offers a wide range of opportunities. Whether it's fitness, business, personal development, or even niche hobbies, there's a coaching market for almost everything. For instance, one of my acquaintances makes $10,000 a month as an online fish coach. Another friend started a membership group called 1 Year No Beer to help people quit alcohol. This side hustle relies on your ability to bring value and create lasting change for your clients. Attention is one of the most valuable currencies in the digital age. When you have the attention of an audience, you have numerous opportunities to monetize it. Whether it's through advertisements, sponsorships, or product sales, the ability to capture and maintain an audience's attention can be incredibly lucrative. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a popular side hustle because it requires minimal upfront investment and can be highly profitable. To get started with affiliate marketing, first find partnerships with companies or products that align with your niche and audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are great places to start. Next, leverage your social media channels, blog, or YouTube channel to promote these products. Create honest and engaging content that highlights the benefits of the products you're promoting. Personally, I've had significant success with affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies that offered products relevant to my audience, I was able to generate a steady stream of passive income. For instance, promoting financial tools and resources on my YouTube channel brought in thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. Content curation involves collecting and sharing high-quality content on a specific topic or theme. This can be done through social media platforms, blogs, or newsletters. A popular example is running theme pages on Instagram. These pages focus on specific niches, such as travel, fitness, or motivation, and share relevant content from various sources. Monetization comes from brand collaborations, sponsored posts, and advertising. Brands are often willing to pay for exposure to a curated and engaged audience. Content creation encompasses a wide range of activities, from blogging and vlogging to podcasting and social media posts. The goal is to create valuable, engaging, and authentic content that resonates with your audience. The key elements for success in content creation are value, authenticity, and connection. Providing valuable information, being genuine in your interactions, and building a strong connection with your audience will set you apart. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and build your personal brand. Share your unique perspective, experiences, and knowledge. The more authentic and relatable you are, the more likely you are to attract a loyal following. My journey with product-based side hustles started when I realized I could leverage my knowledge and skills to create products that people wanted. From selling digital products to launching an e-commerce store, I gradually built a diversified income stream that significantly boosted my earnings. Digital products are intangible goods that can be sold online. They include workout plans, templates, ebooks, online courses, and subscription services. Some popular examples include creating and selling workout plans for fitness enthusiasts, designing templates for business owners, writing ebooks on your area of expertise, and offering subscription-based services like exclusive content or coaching. The scalability of digital products is immense. Once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly without any additional production costs, making it a highly profitable venture. Traditional e-commerce involves selling physical products, which often requires managing inventory and shipping. Dropshipping, on the other hand, allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, you order the product from a third party, who ships it directly to the customer. Building a brand is crucial in e-commerce. Your brand represents your values, your promise to customers, and your unique selling proposition. It helps differentiate your products in a crowded market. From my experience focusing on a niche, providing excellent customer service, and creating a strong brand identity are key to succeeding in e-commerce. Whether you choose traditional e-commerce or dropshipping, these principles will help you build a profitable business. To recap, we've discussed the 3 levels of the side hustle pyramid: service-based side hustles, attention-based side hustles, and product-based side hustles. Each level provides unique opportunities to build and grow your income. We also covered 9 side hustle ideas, ranging from video editing and graphic design to affiliate marketing and e-commerce. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies on building wealth. Don't forget to watch the next video, where I'll share inspiring stories of teenagers who've successfully achieved financial independence through side hustles. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment with your favorite side hustle idea, and I'll see you in the next video.